Welcome to the compare clause module, which is a feature in the DocCompare, a product of DocCompare Limited. So what this module does is it allows you to compare either two Word documents or two PDF documents that contain clauses so that you'll be able to see the variations in either of the documents. So we'll click on this first document and then we'll click on a copy of the same document. Then the next thing is just to click on compare clauses. Then we'll be able to see how the software works. Alright, so it's done its work and it's shown us 98 clauses has been detected in the two documents. Now, for those who watched my earlier video on the detect clause module, you would remember that I used one of these documents as what was used to demonstrate the features of the detect clause. So what I did now is to make a copy of this document and then make alterations to it in 2 or 3 places, I think, and then let's see whether the system will be able to detect the changes. And then so let's go ahead. We've seen clause 1 is detected a change in the original document. It's in this agreement, the following expressions have the following meanings, but it was changed to in this agreement, following expressions shall have the following meanings. So clause 2, 3, 4, no detection was seen. Clause 9, a variation from the provider shall not subcontract without the prior written consent to the provider shall not subcontract without prior, so D was removed, written consent. And then clause 12, the client shall provide necessary some information, shall provide necessary some information and access. The client shall provide necessary information and access. And there's a particular clause that is very tricky that I also changed there. I think that's clause 23. It says, now this agreement shall continue for at most 24 months unless terminated. It was now changed to this agreement shall continue for 24 months. So instead of at most 24 months, I removed at most, and now what you see is for 24 months. This is a very tricky one. So it helps to detect any variation in any clause in a document so that you can be aware of what you are getting yourself into. And then once everything has been outputted, you can of course export it as PDF document here. Thank you very much for your time and hope to see you in more future demos. Thank you.